In this video, you will learn how to filter your data to desired time frame or a segment. Default time frame of the platform is since date of first review, meaning all periods available in your dashboard. If you wish to view data only on a specific time frame, click on the time frame filter on your right side. You can change time frame to view only the latest months, 3 months, 6 months, or otherwise select a custom time frame here. You can also filter your results by using Filters tab at the left side of your screen. You can filter results to particular hierarchies, brands, products, or groups. Under Topics and Reviews, you can filter results to see reviews with specific keywords, reviews that include specific topics or megatopics, reviews with specific star rating. You can select a star rating or a certain range of star on the scale of 1 to 5 stars. Filter results from selected sources. Filter reviews written with or without promotions, on products within a price range, or products with desired product features, depending on the features available in the website. Click Apply to apply all your custom filters. You can delete your filter by clicking on a specific filter or clear all filters by clicking on the refresh icon on the right side of your page. Need more information? Click here to read more or contact Revuze support team today at support@revuze.it.